Guys, this one feels incredibly smooth and refined the moment you slip into it. The fabric is soft, airy, and almost weightless on the skin. It has a subtle sheer finish that adds a touch of elegance. Honestly, it's designed for comfort with a clean, modern look. The waistband sits gently without any tight pressure. It gives a secure fit while still feeling relaxed. Friends, this is perfect for all-day wear without any hassle. No irritation, no adjusting, just effortless comfort. The stitching is neat and blends seamlessly into the design. Even under fitted outfits, it stays completely invisible. What really stands out is the breathable feel of the fabric. It keeps you cool and fresh throughout the day. The design is minimal but very well balanced. Nothing flashy, just a simple and stylish vibe. It gives a calm and confident look. The cut allows natural and free movement. You won't feel restricted at any point. The material quality feels soft yet durable. It maintains its shape well after washing. That's a big plus for everyday use. The overall fit is snug but not tight. It adjusts smoothly to your body. A perfect blend of comfort and elegance. Definitely something you'll keep reaching for. A sleek and classy essential that fits every day, guys. It adds a smooth and polished touch to your routine. Once you try it, it quickly becomes a favorite choice.